Today we're going to look really quickly at some of the other block types and how they work with keys and doors. So let's just get started. We're going to get started with blue blocks, and you can see here I already have some placed in my game, and these ice blocks I'm standing on are actually blue blocks to be configured to have a door. This flame right here is a key, believe it or not, and if I grab that and I walk over these ice blocks, I can now swim through the water. So if you want to do this in your game, let's take a look at how to do that. I'm going to go to the block tab and I'm going to grab a blue block. I'm going to add it to my game. And then I'm going to go to this fifth tab here, the trigger tab, and I'm going to click on the door and click on the blue block. For this example, I'm not going to change the door code and I'm not going to make it spend the key. So let's just test this really quick. And let's go step on this, and you can see that the water is now solid. But to get it to look like the ice blocks that I made, I'm gonna have to give it some door art. So if I go back in and modify this trigger to have ice art, and I hit test again, you can see exactly, yeah, I've created the ice blocks I made down here. If I grab this flame, I can also melt that. And now I can swim through it. Pretty cool. The next one I wanted to cover really quick in this video is a pink block, and how pink blocks and power-ups work with doors. So if I just place a pink block, I can collect it as normal, nothing special there. But if I add a door to this pink block, it gets a little more interesting. So I already have a B key in this game, so I'm going to select B, and I am going to make it use the key in this example. And you can see now that I cannot collect this pink block until I grab the B key. Once I grab the key and I come back, I can transform. If I go in and add door art, I can make this look like it's in a treasure chest or a box. So let's just grab the chest artwork, and let's actually make the pink block look like something cool. So I'm going to make it look like a star. So you can see now the star is obscured by this treasure chest, but I still can't collect it. This is good for hiding secret power-ups and stuff like that. Grab the key, come back, and the chest will flicker when it unlocks, and now the key, or sorry, now the star is available to be collected.